Work happens everywhere in your organization, with different teams, different conversations, and different tools. Traditional CRMs do a great job of bringing customer data together from disconnected tools, but the context behind customer relationships is still spread across people, teams, and conversations.
I don't have the full update.
Who owns this relationship?
Where was that discussed?
Did we follow up on that?
Professionals waste time searching. Updates fall through the cracks. Teams work in silos. Customers fill the gaps. That's where Clariti comes in. A personal and team CRM built around customer relationship intelligence, or CRI. Marketing, sales, customer success, operations, leadership, all teams. One shared view, stronger collaboration, stronger relationships. Relationships don't belong to just your sales team. Your CRM shouldn't either. Clariti, relationship intelligence for your entire organization.